Hello everyone. So today I'll be sharing with you this very amazing recipe of mine I consume for just a week, like every day continuously for a week, and it does magic to my tummy. It trims it and gives me amazing results. Yeah. So you want to consume morning and bedtime for like a week to see tremendous change, like this trims down your belly fat and have your body back in shape. So in order to come up with this recipe, you will need the first ingredient, either grapefruit or lemon. So if you're fine with any of them, make your choice. I'm going for grapefruit, because I love that citron flavor. It has a very beautiful flavor in my tea. Plus it brings in a little bit of sour sweetness to my tea, and I really love it. Yeah. So what you want to do is to peel off your grapefruit or lemon, whichever you're using, and we need just the fruit inside without the peel. So make sure you peel, because this part can be a little bit bitter. Yes, grapefruit is very metabolizing. It really helps to activate your system to burn fats so fast, most especially when you start your day with this and end your day with for like a week. You will love this, trust me. So this is my one grapefruit. You can use any grapefruit of your choice, the other type, the red type, this type, they are all good. Yeah. So just slice up into sizes that can get into your blender. Just take away the seeds. We are not using the seeds, but we are using everything, the fiber, everything, and I'll tell you the secret of this. So make sure to watch this video till the end, so you learn that amazing secret. Yeah. So this is it. Pull out the seeds. Yeah, so they can be bitter, so you don't want to add the seeds in the tea. So just put the seeds out, peel everything, and when you arrive to this, yeah, so this is the first ingredient you want to set aside. The second ingredient I love so much, which heats up your system to burn fats. I love ginger a lot, because it helps to cleanse you, get rid of bloating and constipation. Like the anti-inflammatory properties in here relieves you of that gassiness, that gassy bloated big tummy, and have your belly really down, which is the secret of having your belly always flat down. So this is what you want to do. Peel off the bag, and yes, and you get this. So ginger is very thermic. If you're suffering from weight, belly fat, you want to shred some of the bad fat toxins accumulated in your system, fall in love with ginger. And I'll be using 2 thumb sizes of ginger. So just get your ginger, wash thoroughly. As you can see, hygiene is key. You don't want to put in some more dirt in your system. So hygiene is very important. Wash thoroughly and slice up into some good little sizes that can get into the blender. Yeah, so this is it. And yeah, this dissolves bad fats in the system, dissolves toxins, help to metabolize and flush out toxins. So I'll be adding some strawberries in here. It keeps you really full. Like the secret in here is to have this tea to help you burn fats while leaving the fiber in your system. Plus this helps to fight the effects of free radical, protect you from sun damage and the rest during the day. Plus strawberries or berries equally help you burn fat so fast. These are very fat burning, and they'll act like a meal replacement for you. You don't feel so hungry after drinking this. Don't bother, at the end I'll tell you how this goes. So that is like 5 strawberries, and I'll be adding some cayenne pepper in here. Cayenne pepper heats up your system. Trust me, cayenne pepper is not hot like you think. It just like moderates to heat up your system. It is not really hot like pepper. So I love me some cayenne pepper because it heats up the system to burn fats. And when you add it with this combination, most especially with the grapefruit or lemon, it makes everything so heavenly. Like this combination, try it and trust me, you will enjoy healthy living. You will enjoy your weight loss journey or belly fat loss journey. Like this dissolves bad fats from the system real good. So that is a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. I'll put it in the blender, and I'll add the 2 thumb sizes of ginger. You want to add in your 1 grapefruit. So everything here is to take you for a week. So this is for 1 week. So now you add your 5 strawberries in there. So just close your blender. You don't need water because there's already water in the grapefruit or lemon you're using. You have enough water in there. So just make sure to blend to have everything very smooth without any chunks of ingredients in, like that ice creamy kind of smooth consistency, so you don't consume and feel any like chunks in your mouth. Let blend so well so it gets really smooth, because you will be consuming everything. It's not like, yeah, you'll be consuming everything. You see the consistency, you will not feel any seeds. It's just so creamy and just good, so you can get the fiber in. So the next thing you want to do is to heat up your water. Boil your water, because we are having this as tea. And now you can add in 4 teaspoons of this. So in a day you will have 8 teaspoons. In the morning you have 4 teaspoons. So these are 4 teaspoons. You fill in the cup with water. So this is in the morning. Then at bedtime you put more 4 teaspoons in your teacup. You see my teacup is really large, so this really gets into my system and crush the bad fats in there. So this is morning. In the evening you add 4 more. So since this is morning, I just add a little bit of honey just for some more energy, and but at bedtime I will not be adding the pinch of honey. So you can just have a little pinch of honey in the morning, yeah, just for energy. Plus the fiber too will not make you feel like so dizzy, and the fiber will leave in more nutrients into your system as well. So blend this way and don't squeeze. Make sure you blend to get everything. You don't even see like there's any fruit in there. It's just like regular tea without any, So you want to get this consistency, and you drink everything in the morning. So you drink everything in that large cup. So this large cup can be equivalent to your 2 teacups. So 2 regular teacups can give you these large cups. So if you know this Mickey Mouse cup, you will know it is large. So enough gets into your system and crush down that bad fats in there, making you always having that bloated big belly and have your belly really down. Yeah, so this is something you want to do for a week, and trust me, this recipe is just so yummy that after you burn down your fat, you can always have it to regulate your body size, most especially if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, all those issues. But without the honey, can help you to crush bad fats, causing all the obesity, leading to all those health complications, and you live a very healthy life free of sicknesses due to bad fats in your system. All the heart disease, fatty liver, and the rest, they are because of accumulated bad fats and toxins. So doing this cleanses your system real good from the inside, and you equally not only end up with a beautiful body size, but very healthy as well. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.